Okay, part two. So here we are. I've just taken this paper towel, just right here, and I poured a whole bunch of stuff called Grow Automotive HET. That's what I was using, and you know, a lot of people don't put their stuff out there. We do. That way, you know how to do, how to clean it down, wipe it down, prep the surface. And what this does is, this Grow Automotive HET, is it removes grime and dirt and grease and all that stuff, and gets the paint clean, so that when you go run a coat of paint and protective paint on it, and in this case, that's exactly what I'm going to do until I can actually get the interior painted and all that. But I'm going to run a nice spray bomb right down there, get that cab corner over there, and I'll walk around to the other side and we'll take a look at that. There's the old 59 again. It's slowly but surely coming on. I've already had the engine in it once, had it up and running, had it running twice actually. The engine runs good. And so at this corner right here, it's the cab corner that I'm referring to. As you can see right here, there's a bunch of grinding and welding in here. I made a mistake and I cut this panel out, and I shouldn't have. So I welded it back in, ground it all down nice and smooth, and I'm gonna put a piece of metal in there and close that up as well. But this was kind of off. But anyway, it's interior, and you're really not going to see it. Once you put some seam sealer, throw some paint down, some seam sealer, it's going to be nice. Yeah, so we'll be back in a little bit. I'm going to step out and grab a bite to eat that my wife has made for me, and we'll be back at you. All right, guys, talk to you later.